So we just came now down into Sausalito here in San Francisco, and just check out all the houses there is there. They are just absolutely unbelievable. You can't think what a beautiful place this is you could come and live in. So we'll go around the corner here, and as we go round the corner you've got the view of the beautiful bay, and just check that out. That's just absolutely spectacular. Wow. We'll just have a look along here as we drive along. We're coming round this corner, and this is then coming now more like into the town of Sausalito. So we've got like piers and all different kinds of shops and everything on the left hand side there. Look at it here. It's just beautiful. You could just bring a chair and plonk a chair down and just sit and admire this spectacular view all day long. So it's Sunday, it's the 1st of September, believe it or not, today, and it's 10:15 in the morning, and the weather is just absolutely beautiful. I couldn't ask for it to be any better. So this is like the main shopping part now of Sausalito. Then here we've got a beautiful park area with a lovely fountain, and then we're coming along now to where a lot of the boats are. You can't actually see them as much there, but they are all moored up. I think you can see them from that point there. And again on the left we've got some beautiful places. We've got little cafes and restaurants and everything like that. So we're here in beautiful Tiburon, and we're going to have a look how spectacular it does look along here. Look at the homes and everything there is across there. They do look beautiful. Let's just zoom in for you there.
Oh, it's a seaplane? Yeah. Okay.
But the most spectacular view, I think, is there of the Golden Gate Bridge. We're going to have a little walk down here, I think, and just check this out as we go down. This in here is like a little station. If it was open, there's all trains and model railways and everything like that in that building. But it's just so nice here with the water and all the rocks. And as I say, if I turn round there, all these absolutely amazing houses and that we've got. So standing here now is just absolutely stunning. We've got all these beautiful homes across the road there, and all the beautiful homes in the hills. But when I turn round here now and just have a look here, this is where it's just absolutely unbelievable. Got all the boats docked up, and we've got all the houses in the hillside there. Fancy having a home there. But I think the best view we've got there is the Golden Gate Bridge, which is right in the middle of the picture. And then as I come round in the middle of the picture now, we've got the San Francisco city. And as I say, this is the building where all the model railway is kept. We have been in there a good while ago, and it was quite spectacular, but I don't think it's open at the moment. Look at all the water there beating on the rocks. It just looks absolutely brilliant, that does. Absolutely amazing. Not a cloud in the sky. The weather, you just couldn't ask for it to be any better. So we are here at Fort Point, and we are going to have a look at the Golden Gate Bridge here. Looks absolutely amazing, and it's beautiful with all this sunshine here. Daryl's actually gone walk it, so I just thought while he was doing that I'd come down here and have a look at this beautiful scenery we've got of the bridge here in Fort Point. I've been very lucky to actually park as well. I didn't really have any problems parking. There is a lot of people about here today. Fort Point's very, very busy. It's Labour Day weekend, so there's a real lot of people here today. So we're walking now closer to the Golden Gate Bridge, and look at the rocks and everything here. They look absolutely amazing with the water beating up on them there. The Golden Gate Bridge is really, really shining gold today with this beautiful sunshine on it. So we are here at Fort Point. Like I say, people are just driving around and around and around trying to get a parking spot, so I've been very, very lucky. I did have to wait a minute or two, but like I say, I did get it.
They might be. Have they gardens? No, maybe they're done. But in the Fisherman's Wharf, they should be safe.
Let's just take a look down here. So one thing that is new, all the way down here is completely changed. They have put this new rail up. It never used to be like that. It used to be like chains that were rusting away. So all the way down we've got a new rail. So it has made it look completely different as well. Point, the old fort, that looks very, very good as well, but I suppose today it's going to be so busy in there. I'll have a look probably another day there. Well, let's just stand here a minute or two and just admire this absolutely spectacular view here. The water's quite calm. You do normally sometimes see it beating up here on the rocks. And look at that US flag there, flying beautifully in the top of the fort. You couldn't ask for a nicer day today than we've got. It's absolutely stunning. Now, the Golden Gate Bridge, if you have a look, they have been doing some work for many years on it, and it looks now like they've just got nearly into the middle there, if you can see the scaffolding. And what they're doing is they're putting a suicide net up either side, so if anybody does jump off the bridge, instead of going down to the water, you will be caught in the suicide net. So they must have had a lot of people actually jumping off there to invest all that money to do that. And like I say, that's been going on now for a good while. I'd probably say 3 or 4 years. So I don't know how long it's going to take them to finish that. But like I say, Daryl's walking the bridge today. He's on it. I don't know exactly where he is. I will have a look when I get back to the car in a second and just see how far along he's actually got. So this part here now is where all the joggers come, and they jog and they tap their hands on the wall there, and then start running back. So let's start heading back to the car, and we'll have a look how beautiful it looks this way as we go back today. Let's just pop in between these two cars here. So the city, we can see the city over there. That's absolutely basking in the sun as well. Let's stop and just have a quick look there. Like I say, this rail, so different with this new railing system up than it was with the old rail. But I did say when I was here last year, them chains were absolutely rusting away. So I don't know how long this new one will last. But I suppose it does really catch the elements of the salt water. Look how smart it actually looks here now. Looking at the rocks and the water splashing up them. Like I say, very calm today. Normally you stand here and you see the big swells bouncing up the rocks, but not today. And there's San Francisco. Friendly chap wants to go on the channel. What do you want to say?
It was born in San Francisco. Where are you from?
From England.
Oh, England.
Yeah. So, like I say, I've really enjoyed that walk. That guy's just subscribed to me, and we're doing okay. So I don't know where Daryl is now. I'm just going to have a quick look, see if I can see where he actually is. It looks like he's at the Golden Gate Pavilion, so I don't think he's going to be too long now before he's ready for me to pick him up. And we'll just check out the subscribers here now. So it should have gone up. The signal's a bit poor, so I'm just struggling to have a look there. It says I've got 5G, but like I say, not much signal at all.